how to see someone's recent followers on Instagram. Now, let's say this person right here. We just have to click on their profile and then tap on their follower. Now, back then, people can categorize someone's followers by date and mutual following accounts, making it easy for almost everyone to see their recent account or recent followers an account has. You can see it at this corner right here back then. Now, another older update of Instagram removed that feature and changed it into an arranged list of followers, making the most recent person to follow an account at the top right here, and those whom has been a long-time follower at the bottom. Now, even on the recent update of Instagram, the list of followers are arranged in a way to cater one's own account. For example, my account. It will show me at the top whom I interacted the most, and at the bottom are those who I probably haven't had an interaction with. Now, only those who own the account can see all their followers. This has been the update of Instagram at the very latest. To conclude, in today's update, there is no way to clearly see who are the recent followers of someone's account. You can only know it by being on that account yourself or by having that account yourself. You can check it on your heart button right here, the notification, and you will be able to see whom have followed you recently. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!